I'm Dayna Patterson. I'm reading from my new book from Signature Books, If Mother Braids a Waterfall. And I'm going to share a piece with you today. It's called Dear Mom. December Lady. The day you came out to me, I was in my hibernacle, so comfortable in the warm smell of my own pelt and the cave's dry envelope where I slept in a ball, dreaming of silver fish and spring. You startled me awake with your crunching feet, bearing news through a fresh fall. I had smelled winter from my hideaway, but you took me by the paw. Accustomed to dark, my eyes sought blindly. Snow sheathed pine needles. You showed me what I'd slept through at every hint of frost. Snow sculpted into waves. No doubt, you feared the probability of my bite, my claws. Snow fell soft, each flake filigreed, scintillant. You're human, after all, and one swipe could have finished you. I took off my thick coat, felt colds blow, what you'd borne these hush-mouth years. I yanked teeth from my jaws, how sharp. Tore razors from my fingers, how many cuts. Left den behind, shoulder to shoulder, in my ample fur. You teach me to forage for winterberry and root. No need to devour your heart.